In this question, once again, we're trying to come up with an equation of a line. What is an equation of a line in slope-intercept form? Y equals
0.
mx plus b. To come up with an equation of a line, we need to replace, again, which variables? M and, okay, all we're told now, we're not given any other information except that the equation that we come up with has to have the same x-intercept as this line and the same y-intercept as this line. So what do you think the first thing you need to figure out is? So we need to figure out what is the x-intercept of this line. So to find an x-intercept, as Dale just said, we set the y value equal to 0. So let's do that. Everyone copy that down. Here's the equation. We're going to set the y value equal to 0, and we're going to solve for x. X, take away 5 times 0. 5 times 0 is 0, so that's eliminated. So we're left with x plus 10 equals 0. Now we need to isolate x, so x is equal to, what's the opposite of plus 10? Okay, so the x-intercept is negative 10. How do you write that as a coordinate? Negative 10, 0. Okay, so the equation of the line we need to come up with, all we know right now that it's located at a point at negative 10 and 0. That's one of the coordinates on the line. What's the second piece of information we're told? Yes, that it has the same y-intercept as this equation. So what do we need to find? Good. So we need to find the y-intercept of this equation, so we have to set x equal to 0. So same idea, but now we're using the second equation, 3x plus 2y minus 6 equals 0, and we're setting x equal to 0 and solving for y. Once we figure out y, then we know that's going to be the y-intercept. So 3 times 0 plus 2y minus 6 equals 0. So 2y equals positive 6. Divide both sides by 2. Y is equal to 3. Good. What is the coordinate then? Where is the y-intercept located? Yes?
0, 3.
0, 3. Okay. So now we know 2 points on this line. If you know 2 points on a line, what can you find? M or B?
Question.
Yeah, okay? We're trying to find the equation of the line, so we need to find M and we need to find B. We're going to use the 2 coordinates to find M. Using the slope formula. What's the slope formula? Okay, which one do you want to call y2? And which one do you want to label as x2, y2, or x1, y1? What is the slope equal to? 3 over 10. M equals 3 over 10. Okay, so the question said to find an equation of a line. Y equals mx plus b is what we're trying to figure out. We just figured out M. Do you know B? Yes, we do. We found the y-intercept, right? It had the same y-intercept as the other line. Which coordinate was the y-intercept? 0, 3. So B is equal to... So therefore, what is the equation of this line?
3 over 10x plus 3.
Perfect. 3 over 10x plus 3. Okay, and that's the answer for this one.